Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to understand organic chemistry. Begin by focusing on the basics of atomic structure and chemical bonding, especially carbon's unique ability to form four bonds. Understand how different functional groups influence molecular behavior. Practice drawing Lewis structures and predicting molecular geometry to build a strong visual foundation. This initial step is vital for tackling more complex topics later on. Once you have the basics down, dive into functional groups. Each group has specific properties and undergoes predictable reactions. Focus on understanding reaction mechanisms, which explain the step-by-step process of how bonds break and form. Don't just memorize, try to visualize the electron movement. Practicing retrosynthesis will help you design synthetic pathways, a core skill in organic chemistry. To truly excel, active learning is key. Don't just read, draw out every reaction mechanism by hand until it becomes second nature. Create flashcards for quick recall of functional groups, common reagents, and reaction conditions. The more practice problems you solve, the better you'll become at recognizing patterns and applying concepts. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging topics. As you progress, delve into advanced areas such as spectroscopy, which helps identify unknown compounds, and stereochemistry, crucial for understanding three-dimensional molecular arrangements. Don't hesitate to use a variety of resources, including your textbook, online tutorials, and even molecular modeling kits to visualize complex structures. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Keep practicing, and you'll master organic chemistry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.